Welcome to All Things ElectronX, the ultimate electronics review channel. From the tiniest microchips to the mightiest gaming rigs, if it runs on electricity, we review it. Smartphones, smartwatches, laptops, VR headsets, drones, kitchen tech, medical devices, even the obscure retro gadgets you've never heard of. We dig deep, test hard, and give you the truth. No hype, no bias, just pure electronics obsession. Expect performance tests, teardowns, comparisons, and devices from every corner of the world. So, if you love gadgets as much as we do, subscribe and join the global journey through tech. All Things ElectronX. We don't skip anything with circuit. Hit subscribe and never miss a device.